That's an interesting drone.
I don't know where it came from, but it doesn't look like anything I've ever seen before.
Wow, this looks a little similar to something I was looking at earlier.
Yeah, I saw that before. Yeah, let me look through my files. I might have something around here that might help us with this. Here we go.
Here, look. Actually, it doesn't look quite the same. There's some differences.
Look at the data. The data is so strange. You must have fun.
Look, the frame looks like it's half snapped, but the textile seems pretty good. I think I can redesign the string to make it even lighter and fix it. Look guys, as a design engineer, I finished printing this. Does anyone know how to build it now and fix it?
Yeah, I've been a manufacturing engineer for a couple of years now, so I should be able to put this together with the tech from that drone.
Yeah, it sounds like a great idea. As team manager, as long as you guys keep me updated with all the information, I'll keep everything documented and make sure that we can keep all our data in one place. That way it's neat and organized.
Wow, it's looking pretty good. It looks like it's ready to fly.
Yeah, I'm almost done fixing it up. I just need somebody that can test fly.
I know guys called Isaac.
Why don't we give him a call? Hello, is this Isaac? Yihung just gave me your number.
Wait. Oh, it's Sam.
We found this cool looking drone on the floor today, but it seemed to be broken, but we're almost done fixing it up. I was just wondering if you think you could fly.
Yeah.
Yeah, I could show it to you on FaceTime, okay?
Alright.
Look, what times do you think you could be able to get on this?
Good ones. It flies.
Do you think it's a pretty fast drone?
Yeah. Just try using one of our batteries. Maybe try connecting the red wire and the black wire.
Oh my god, wait, look, it's like, there's like a force pulling me over
That's so weird.
like that door. It's like pulling me into those trees over there.
Oh, that's so weird.
Oh, is that where it came from? Yeah, that might be where it came from.
You see that nest, right?
Yeah. Is that a falcon nest?
I think so.
You know, since it fell from a falcon's nest, I think we should name it after that.
So the Falcons?
Or how about Falcon drone?
That's cool.
I like that.
The Falcon Drone Team.
Yeah, we're a falcon drone. We're asking for $1,200 to be able to improve all of our team's new gear and get competition ready for nationals.
We need your help to buy better materials and new filaments that can make our drone lighter.
As well, we need your funds to pay for apparel and to improve our display.
Thanks to our sponsors, we were able to get an electric screw, improving work times significantly. When you decide to support Falcon Drone, you're not only supporting a group, you're supporting a team of passionate and hardworking high schoolers who are constantly improving and open to learning from their mistakes, who values their sponsors.
Thanks to FPL, Power Trinity, and Rhythmology Center, we were able to remake a new frame for the Falcon Drone.
That's why we need you to sponsor us.